To add references in a works cited page in Google Docs, the very first thing you guys need to do is go ahead and find however you're citing your source of information. So in my case, I'm using this NASA website that talks about stars. I'm going to go ahead and copy this link. Go ahead, click on Tools, click on Citations. You can select which MLA format we're looking for. Right now, these are the only editions it actually has. What you're going to do is click on Add Citation Source. So depending on what you're using book or any of these, you're going to want to select one of these. In my case, I'm using a website. Click on Website, click on Search with URL. So I'm going to go ahead and put the URL, click Search. And basically, it's coming back and saying there's no published year or contributions. So basically, anyone that's published this. However, we can still continue, and it will allow us to fill out any of the information if we somehow know it or we can find it. That way, it is more accurate. However, if you still can't find it, you can still click Add Citation Source, and then you can go ahead and click Insert Works Cited page. And as you guys can see, it's inserted our works cited. It's only done this twice for me because I've actually inserted it twice, but it will create us a reference page or a works cited page in Google Documents. Anyways, if this video helped you guys out at all, make sure to leave a like on the video.